Hi, welcome to Reypurpose Made, home of one-of-a-kind custom furniture. See how I take regular old pieces of wood and turn into something extra special just for you. Don't sit there, the leg is broken. You've probably had that broken piece of furniture so long that you're used to it now. Like you only put food on one side of the table, or you kind of sit just on the edge of that chair because you know it's going to crack if you don't get it fixed. Well, that's why I'm here to give you a cute little restoration, whether that means bringing the bed back up, straightening the chair, or putting the leg back on the table. When I was installing the lights for Jay and Roxane's backyard, I noticed that they had like a little outdoor table that was missing a leg. And I saw that as an opportunity to like not only repair it, but bring it to a higher level than what it was before. Luckily, they didn't throw away that fourth leg that was missing, so I took that with me and I tried to see if I was going to either like just totally do like a repair job or actually like do some replacement pieces. And the connection to where the leg fell off, the connection that's still on the actual table, was like kind of warped and messed up. So the idea was like just replace two sides of the legs with new pieces. But there's a little bit of a caveat to that. This is an outdoor piece, which means I can't use just any pieces of wood, but that was perfect because that meant I get to go back to my Reypurpose roots and use pallet wood that I had to like break apart and sand and then like restore. I'm glad I did spray paint the legs of the table because it made for an even better frame for the piece right below the little shelf I created. This is a project where all the pieces just kind of came together and fell into place, like the new ones I created and the existing pieces that I had left over. The two legs that were left over became like a shelf, a lower tier to the table, and it's not just a decorative tier, it helps to hold the pieces together also. And those two little pieces that make that shelf is held up by a new like raw wood piece that I decided to wood burn the J and R for Jay and Roxane. So all the pieces kind of just like came together, like different looks, different colors, different stains and everything, but it definitely like all makes sense functionally and for design. I wanted to add a little bit of extra design to that front face of the table, so all the screws that connect the legs together on that side are spray painted green. Now this table is far stronger than it has ever been, stronger than when it was first created and definitely stronger than when I first got it. And it looks super cool on the deck with all the lights that I created right above it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you want to see more. If you click on that little bell on the bottom, you will be notified every Wednesday when I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under reypurpose. Thanks for watching.